Hey everybody, Aaron Blaise here, and we've got a really good treat for you. A few weeks ago, Procreate's Dreams came out, and it's really taken the market by storm. A lot of people are loving it, and but there's a lot of people that are still struggling a little bit on how to use it. And I've had the great opportunity to be using it over the last several months, and so we thought it would be a lot of fun to do our next live event showing you guys how to use Procreate Dreams. So on February 24th, it's going to be an all-day event starting at about 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, going until about 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm going to take you through all the in and outs and using Procreate's Dreams. And so during this live event, I'm going to teach you how to animate a character acting with dialogue. This is something it's the basis to everything that we did at Disney. And I want to show you how to do mouth shapes, consonants, vowels, phrasing your dialogue, and getting the right poses for each phrase.
Oh my.
Now, if you sign up, we're going to provide you with a dialogue track that we're going to actually animate during that day. Now, the other great thing about this is because it's a live event, you guys are going to be able to ask me questions. We're going to be able to have dialogue back and forth, and you'll be able to learn right there on the fly live with me teaching you. So once again, that's on February 24th. Now remember, spots are limited. So go to creatureartteacher.com/live and sign up today. And if you're a member at creatureartteacher.com, all of our events are included in your membership, including this one. You can also brush up between now and then if you go to creatureartteacher.com and get my course on Procreate Dreams for just $1. So we're going to start at 11 a.m. We're going to go for a few hours. We'll take a half-hour lunch break, and then we'll finish out the day. It's going to be a lot of fun. Once again, go to creatureartteacher.com/live to get more information on that. And once again, it's going to be covering everything that I know using Procreate Dreams. It'll be a lot of fun. Go on out there, put some beauty back into the world, and I'll talk to you next time. Thanks.